So we felt it was very appropriate today to discuss our pet multivitamin. And to be honest, I almost feel like the name doesn't do it justice. So we're going to go into all the details of why this product is so absolutely amazing. But before we do that, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel if you don't already. Ask us questions, leave us comments. As always, toward the end, we will ask questions that you guys might have pertaining to the topic today. So, okay, as we know, it's our multi live from the LiveGood, from the Good Kid Pack. Why we believe LiveGood Organic Pet Multivitamin is the best daily nutrition for your pet. All right. So, like many of you, our pets are family, right? So, I mean, if you were to think about this, it is kind of a funny thing. How much money do you think you actually spend on your pets, right?
Oh.
And think about, like, maybe for their birthday.
Right.
You spend more on the pet's birthday than you do for yourself on your own birthday, right?
Oh, it's unbelievable.
Every time I go to a store, I'm bringing home a dog treat or a toy or just something. It's constantly something. We really love our animals, and we want to take care of them the best that we can. You know, we invest in quality food. We get them regular exercise. We take them to a wonderful veterinarian. We focus on daily nutrition, all this stuff. We do for our pets because, again, our pets are our family. And if you guys don't have pets, I mean, still stay on, listen to this, because you know somebody that has pets. What's wrong?
Where's your microphone?
I don't know. Could they say they can't hear me?
Well, yeah, but I had your microphone out here.
Oh, hold that thought.
Here you go. Maybe that'll help. Thank you for.
All right, there we go. I'm mic'd up. So hopefully you guys could hear me.
Jennifer said volume is low. That's what triggered it.
Thank you, Jennifer. Hopefully you guys could have heard me as I was probably being picked up on Dr. Ryan's. But yeah, so like we said, we have our furry friends here. And as with all of our other supplements, right? Why do we create these supplements? And they're really obviously for needs of ourselves and our family, selfishly. But when we have these needs, we know you guys have them too. And it's really important to make sure our pets are getting the same quality care that we preach that we should do for ourselves, right? Let's talk about similarities of, like, what is similar between the nutrition that we need and deserve, as same with our pets, right? The food that they're getting is the same thing that we're getting, right? It's just depleted of nutrients. Now, I will say for our pets, we do have them on a pure raw food diet. They get a ton of nutrition from their food, but we also know, just like when we eat very healthy, it's lacking in vitamin minerals just because of what goes on in our world, in the soil, how things are grown, how things are fed, right? Same thing holds true there. So it is really important to make sure that our pets are getting a high quality, well-rounded multivitamin every day.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So look, I mean, we have a Great Dane here. This is the one that we just saw come in the middle. For a while there, the average lifespan of that breed was 7 years or so. Maybe it's gone up now to almost 9. The Ridgebacks, we've had 2 prior to this. We have Rhodesian Ridgebacks. These are the 2 brown ones. We've had 2 previous. They were 13 and 14, right? Is it the ages they live to?
Yes. Yeah.
And we have a 7 and a 5 now. And definitely, as we talk to more and more people, you notice the same issues, and especially the veterinarians. And believe it or not, the sector of medicine and veterinary medicine, they're also stuck in a lot of ways in the Western sort of treatment paradigm where it's funded by big pharmaceutical companies. Mm-hmm. But the ones that, like the holistic people, they're seeing major gains in quality of life for animals, for dogs and cats, by focusing on obviously healthy, lean muscle mass, like body composition. That's what it comes down to.
Just like how we need to do for ourselves.
And you can move the needle. So when you're talking about adding a year or 2 to an 8-year-old lifespan, that's a significant. That's a 25% increase in life. It's an unbelievable number. And using, of course, nutrition, supplements, exercise, movement, the same things that we practice. You know, the dogs love routine. They love a healthy home. Like all these things really matter. And if you're a pet owner, pet lover, then you absolutely know how important it is to you. And then one thing, Lisa, real quick, like you said, the budget for raising pets is high, and it's crazy high. When you have a child, you know, you're like, the number was something like 180 grand to the age of 18, or 200 grand or something to the age of 18, which the number seems higher than that, but for most people. But a pet is very, I'd say, expensive. Now you can get away with spending less money on the cheapest kibble, right? but you're never going to escape the fact that you're going to have to pay for it one way or the other, because you could pay for it in health consequences and vet bills later down the road, if you're not trying to give your dog proper nutrition.
100%.
You know what I mean?
Even like you brought up kibble, even if you're choosing one of the better kibbles on the market, most of them still have fillers. They have synthetic vitamins.
Well, they're highly processed, right?
Yeah, they're highly processed. Yeah. There might be like where we get the fairy dusting, right? Where we talk about with our nutritional supplements. You might have artificial colors and flavors. And it's things that, again, they're not providing adequate nutrition for your pet. But that, some of the things in there could be doing more harm than good, like we always talk about. But let's talk about our product, because this is the heart of this and why we're so passionate about this one. Now, when I said that, sorry, the dog's hitting the camera. When I say that the name to me doesn't necessarily do it justice, because it says multivitamin, but it's so much more than that too, right? It has your vitamins and minerals at the proper doses for these pets. And it also has prebiotics, probiotics, other beneficial things for gut health. I mean, CoQ10, just so many wonderful things in here. Or, I mean, we talk about spirulina, how important it is for us to take every day, in our super greens. Right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Sure.
I thought you were wanting to say something. I mean, it's one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods. I mean, it's in here, right? So it is so much more of a comprehensive supplement for our pets than it is just a multivitamin. And I actually had this question from an affiliate, maybe you're watching, I'm not sure, but it was sharing with me another company's pet multivitamin. Pet probiotic or gut health supplement. And I said, look, you're getting it all in here, right? You're getting what you need for the gut health, the vitamins, the minerals, the heart health, the joint support. I mean, you're getting it in here. So such a wonderful, comprehensive approach.
Did you say gut health too?
Yeah. Gut health is
that was a focus for making sure the dogs have all the proper enzymes, the fiber.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't even say the digestive enzymes. So it's so much more than just your traditional multivitamin. And obviously, just like everything else that we do, it's so balanced in the proper dosing.
It is that too. I thought you were going to say organic.
Oh, it is organic. Yeah.
We didn't even say USDA certified organic. So,
which is awesome because it's not easy to do.
That's definitely not easy to do. Yeah. An incredible feat. That's wonderful.
Yeah. So some of the other things I'm just going to name that are in it, organic inulin. Really feeds the beneficial gut bacteria.
That's right.
Supports digestion, nutrient absorption, which is important, right? Because we want to make sure our gut is healthy enough to absorb the nutrients we're giving it, which the nutrients in here. Organic pumpkin. I think many of you know, at least with dogs, I'm not sure necessarily if cats eat like plain pumpkin, but it's always been a known thing to give your dogs pumpkin, right? It's great for their stomachs, the fibers, shiny coat.
Bland, believe it or not.
Yes, yeah. Organic flaxseed, cider spirulina, apple cider vinegar, organic kelp.
Apple cider vinegar.
I mean, these are all wonderful things for their bellies. And then, of course, your complete vitamin support.
So all the micronutrients, right?
All the micronutrients. Yeah. These support their immune function, their skin and their coat, their bone health, their cellular energy, their overall vitality. I mean, all this stuff, just like it is so important for us, it is so important for our loved ones, our furry friends. And I also feel like, I think I have it in here. I wrote it down so I could, okay. Let's just go and talk about the price right now, because when you go to get a pet product on the market, they are extremely expensive. And it's hard because just like with our kids, we want to give them the best of the best. So we end up spending a fortune trying to do it. And I'll tell you, like we said, we have 3 big dogs. We're away for 2 weeks. I had to pack 3 of these for 2 weeks. I think that'll get us through. But we might even run low. Like we go through this fast because the dosing is weight dependent, which is on the label as well. So for members, this is $19.95. Now for an average pet size, let's just say, 36 to 75 pounds. That's pretty average. 1 scoop a day. There's 30 scoops in here. So if that's your size pet and you have 1, right, this is going to be a month's supply. A month's supply if you're a member for $14.95. If you're not a member, which would remind you, it makes so much sense to be a member. But if you're not a member, it's $29.95. Still a wonderful price, but you know, again, if you're paying a membership price, you get great deals. So just think about that too. And a lot of times we're buying a multivitamin or a probiotic. Then we need a joint support, you know, and then, oh my gosh, they're getting older and their coat, and it's so comprehensive. Everything in here is what you need. Right. And you know, what we say, dogs and cats.
Oh yeah.
Right. I'm not sure. I guess you could always speak with your veterinarian if you have something like a bunny or something smaller like that. Right.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
Okay, were there any questions at all? So we'll go do this.
Just no real questions asked about cats. Of course, you addressed that.
Yeah.
Would help with itchy paws, can help. You know, if you're talking about things where you have like yeast infections or parasite infections in your pets, that's a little bit different.
Right, but a lot of times they also associate like itchy paws with poor gut health, right? So again, you're addressing that. It could also be associated with micronutrient deficiencies, right? We're addressing that here, right? But yeah, I mean, just wonderful things. And like I said, CoQ10, right? Every cell in the body needs it. They need it for energy, right? Support. And we want our dogs to be vibrant, healthy, energetic. And like you said, like our pets' lives are already so much shorter than than our own. So we really want to extend it as long as we can. It's so important. Yeah, what else? Do you have anything else to add?
That was great. That was a good summary. Yeah, I'm just trying to see. Sometimes you going to make CoQ10, calcium. Blah, blah,
yeah, I'm going through to make sure. So, like we said, this one is almost empty.
Yeah.
But
he absolutely loves it too. Here, give him a treat. Why? That way he's not like, that's a good boy.
It's a scoop, right? We put it directly onto their food and mash it around. If you are feeding just dry kibble, you might want to add a little bit of water just to help blend it. But like I said, we do a raw food diet, so it's already very moist. So we put it all in. So everybody's going to come say hi. And we have not had any complaints from any furry friend saying they didn't like it. Not just ours, others.
Yeah, and like some picky eater dogs, they like even Ben's dogs are picky. Put this in a bowl by itself, and they love it. They
right.
They go right
you know, which dogs and kids, sometimes they're picky for no apparent reason. So we were a little bit, you know, cautious on that when trying to make sure we found something that all cats and dogs would like. So yes, if you guys haven't checked it out, make sure you do. Like I said, the price is amazing. The quality is there. It is USDA certified organic, which is so hard to come by, especially in pet products and especially for the prices that we're offering. So there really is no reason to not be using this for your cats, your dogs, your furry friends. I mean, speak to your veterinarian about it, right? Maybe they're going to be like, whoa, this is amazing.
Yeah, and I have friends that are vets. Of course, you know, when formulating, sorry to cut you off, but I consulted with some vet friends too, and it was a home run. Like, oh my gosh, this is going to be great. Like, it's funny, the vet world just hasn't really used, I mean, they don't typically adopt to things in wellness space as quick as human, but they're there now, I think,
well,
right?
It's almost
they're starting
like our medical system as well, right? You know, the doctors were not trained in nutrition, right? So same thing.
And they just trusted the big bag companies.
Right.
You know, like just full trust. Like, all right, they've got the macros balanced. They know what the nutrition needs are.
Yep.
And then they just say that's okay. You know?
Awesome. Yes. Comments. My dog loves this vitamin. Yeah. I mean, whoops. What did I just do? Yes. Dapper's trying to steal the show.
I was up there. Yeah.
Oh, you looked? Yeah. Okay. So I don't see any questions, but as you guys know, you always have access to my email. If you have any further questions on this, please send them my way. But again, you cannot go wrong using this every day for your dog, your cat. Your furry friends, your loved ones, and treating them with the love that we also need to be treating ourselves with.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
And did we talk about directions for use? I'm not sure if you covered it.
I said it was on there. I didn't say it aloud.
And we do it as a weight-based thing. You'll notice to just have your dogs get more volume, more amount, you know, and then the cats a little bit lesser, obviously. And then obviously I would say that this is a with food product, but you didn't have to do it with food just because it's a dry powder, so it's hard for them to take it up. But mixing it with food is perfect.
Right. Or a little bit of.
He's drooling on me.
A little bit of goat yogurt.
Oh, we're almost done here. We're almost done.
Yep. Did everyone come say hi, boys? Bring them all back in here.
They've been in and out.
Get them all back in here. Here's the big guy.
He's so gentle.
Okay, so our pets trust us with every meal we put in front of them, every treat. So and we can't control every aspect of their health, but we can give them a strong nutritional foundation every single day. So that's why we created this organic LiveGood pet multivitamin. And like I said, it's more than just a multivitamin. You get so much more from it. And we hope you guys use it for your pets and share with anybody that you know that has a dog
treats. Dog treats. I think we should do it. We're doing it, guys. We're going to do some dog treats. We'll do it. We're going to do it. We're going to stay in the pet market because we know, again, it's like, I hate it, but people spend a lot of money in the pet market and don't get good quality. So we can definitely stay in the space,
insert LiveGood there.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, awesome.
100%. So.
All right. Well, thank you guys for joining us. We hope you enjoyed the training. And again, any further questions, please make sure you email me.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Great to see you guys.
Bye.
Bye.